Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear WhatsApp data on Windows 11 and free up valuable disk space on your computer. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything has fully started before proceeding, as this ensures all system files are accessible and you won't run into any issues during the process. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, navigate to your Windows Start menu located within your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to open the menu, then type in this PC in the search bar. Hit enter and your Documents and Drives window will open up. This is where we'll be locating the WhatsApp data files that are taking up space on your system. From the This PC window, start by opening your C drive. This is your main system drive where most applications store their data. Once inside, click on the Users folder. This folder contains all user profile information and application data for every account on your computer. Within the Users folder, open the folder labeled with your PC username. Inside your User folder, look for a folder called App Data and open it. This is where Windows stores application-specific data, and it's often hidden by default, which is why many users don't know it exists. The App Data folder is crucial because it contains temporary files and cached data from all the apps you use. Next, open the Local folder within App Data. This particular folder stores locally cached data that doesn't need to sync across devices. Now, within the Local folder, look for a folder called Packages and open it. The Packages folder contains data from all Windows Store apps, including WhatsApp. From here, you'll prominently see the WhatsApp folder, which will have the app ID 5319275A attached to its name. This is the official WhatsApp application folder. Open this folder and you'll see all the files and subfolders that WhatsApp has been storing on your system, which can accumulate to quite a large size over time. To free up disk space on your PC, simply select all the folders and files within this WhatsApp directory and delete them. This will clear all cache data, temporary files, and any media that WhatsApp has stored locally. You might need to wait a moment while your system processes the deletion, especially if there's a large amount of data. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your WhatsApp data and freed up disk space on your Windows 11 computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.